Hi, I'm Sid from Mack, and I'd like to introduce you to Troy, our footwear expert.
Thank you, Sid. Nice to be here.
We're going to talk to you about the importance of safety for foot health. We'll cover how to select, fit, care for, and replace work boots to ensure safety and comfort on the job. Troy, why don't we start at the beginning and discuss some of the important things to keep in mind when selecting your boots?
We know how busy it can get, so making the wrong choice can mean that we stick with a boot much longer than we ever should. When choosing safety footwear, you should consider the hazards within your working environment. Things like slips, trips, sharps, or falling objects, which require boots with features like slip resistance and heat resistant soles, metatarsal guards, or penetration resistant midsoles, and everything's based on your needs.
Okay, so what about the dangers of different work environments?
That's right. Workplaces, they vary greatly. You can be faced with electrical hazards, high heat, or wet environments. In these cases, low conductivity heat resistant soles or waterproof uppers are a must.
I can imagine the style of shoe matters too. There seems to be an ever increasing amount to choose from.
And for a good reason. Low cut joggers, they're great for mobility, whereas mid cut boots, they have a balance between flexibility and ankle support, while the high cut boots offer maximum protection for heavy duty environments.
Always prioritize durability and comfort, right? What role does fitting play in this?
Fitting is at the core of comfort, which is very crucial. It prevents injuries, boosts productivity, and improves safety. To ensure a proper fit, check the length of the boot, the width of the boot, and the depth of the boot. If you don't have access to a measuring tool, try removing the inner sole. Your longest toe should be roughly 12 to 15 millimeters from the end of the inner sole's end.
And then try the boots on?
Yes, the boot should flex at the ball of your foot. There should be no tension at the top of your foot, and the laces should be 30 millimeters within the opening.
I hear zip-sided boots are becoming more popular.
Zip-sided boots are very popular now. Purchasing of this style of boot continue to dominate the market, and with good reason. The large opening that the zip creates makes it much easier to take on and off, especially in emergency situations, where removing the boots quickly might be vital. Not only are they simple to use, but they are more durable than the old elastic side boots, maintaining their shape rather than stretching.
Should these be fitted in a different way?
While sizing them up doesn't require a different approach, it is important to remember that appropriate use is necessary to get the operational benefits that the side zip boots provide. Always loosen the laces before sliding the foot in, and don't force it. Then ensure the zip is up before tightening the laces snugly. The final step is that your ankles are getting the optimum support to maximize the efficiency of the boots.
Now let's talk about care. A work boot can be exposed to some pretty tough environments.
Without a doubt, clean your boots frequently. Use a soft brush or a damp cloth for general cleaning and a mild soap for deeper cleaning. Avoid direct heat when drying. Condition the leather boots to prevent cracking and waterproof them as needed. Frequently inspect for wear and store them in a cool, dry place.
Finally, how do you know when to replace your boots?
Well, it's always good to look for wear marks on your outsole. Sometimes a safety cap may be exposed through the leather. If there's persistent discomfort and if your boots no longer provide that adequate support or protection, it's time for a replacement.
And that's it. Thank you for joining us. And remember, the right safety footwear can make all the difference to your comfort, productivity, and safety at work.
Stay safe and don't forget to contact Mack if you need more help selecting your boots.
See you next time.